Hello. Today we will show you how we converted our minivan under 1 week using almost only materials we found next to the trash bins. We started by removing the panel that was dividing the front and the back of the van, and then we began working on the floor. This project might look a bit chaotic, and that's because we had very little time to work on it before going on holidays. And also, we wanted to use only reused materials for the construction, which demanded some extra creativity and made us change our approach quite sometimes as we couldn't find everything we needed on time. So, we didn't have a strict plan to follow. But as this is also our work vehicle, we didn't want to make anything too permanent. Next, we started framing the walls using some self-drilling screws. To make the walls, we found this thin MDF next to the beams, and so we went with it. We attached it to the framing and stuffed it with some insulation panels that we also found. When the MDF was all installed, we painted the walls using all the paint leftovers we could find. Then, using some pine wood that we still had laying around from our house construction, we started making what would become our headboard. To finish the walls, we used some plywood slats from a bed base that we also found. And to finish the headboard, we used this piece of cedar wood. Next, I hemmed some pieces of fabric to use as curtains in the van. The next step was to build the bed slash sofa slash storage unit, and for that we planned everything around these three awesome mahogany drawers that we also found in the trash. After completing the structure of the bed, we added a little table and then covered the structure with thin pine boards. Using the same MDF of the walls, we made two panels for the doors. And meanwhile, some friends came to visit us and gave us some help while we finished the bed. It was finally time to decorate our new little home and make it comfortable and fully functional for our trip. On top of the van, you can see our brand new awning that was actually Andrea's birthday present to me. And together with the lights, the only two things in this project that were not reused. It was time to take it for a test drive, and we were so happy to finally have our own camper van. We are very pleased with the result, and we are very happy to be able to build ourselves a comfortable little space using very little money and saving so many materials from being completely wasted. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you after our van trip.